so let's get into this video. First and foremost is our Bible verse, which is, whatever you have learned or heard from me or seen in me, put into practice, and the God of peace will be with you. Philippians 4:9. Y'all already know what time it is. It is time to put my products, my rice water mist treatment, and y'all been asking, can I use it on protective styles? Yes. Oh my goodness. Spray it on your braids because you want your braids to be refreshed and hydrated. Don't put your wig on no dry and basically crusty and dusty braids because you're not going to get no healthy hair growth. And then we put the oil in, y'all already know, and massage it in. You already know when Pmarie is going to install, you're going to get some healthy hair care treatment and you're going to get a bomb install. So let's get into this install. Okay, first we got to hit them with the ball cap, okay? We going in with that Erica lace glue because y'all already know that glue, I'ma just say that glue gonna do what's gonna do because ever since I used it, I ain't never went back to no other glue. So just get in there on that ball cap. I always recommend using the glue on the ball cap because it makes the install last longer than using like a Got2b glue or even Got2b glue spray. That is just my personal preference after, trying it and not really liking it. And then I let my clients sit under the dryer. And then I go in and I'm just cutting off all of that excess ball cap. Get as close as you can to cutting off that excess ball cap. And as you guys see, I have some really, really little scissors, which really help with really getting in there. And now I'm just going back and getting those edges with the glue. And I'm just pressing everything in so it can be laid and really a ball cap, okay? Now I'm going in with the RK by Kiss makeup. It's foundation makeup, but like, not foundation, but y'all seen it. And then I put that on her ball cap. And y'all, can y'all get into this color? Hold on. This color has to be everything. Y'all, I watercolored this hair and this pink came out so cute. It's not like a hot pink, it's like a light pink, and it has some tones of like a white crystal to it, which I think is just so pretty. So all I'm doing on this step is I just put 3 layers of glue down and blow dried it. I didn't show that step because it's super redundant and I'll show it more in depthly in some of my other install videos. So yeah, that's all I did. 3 layers of glue, blow dry each layer. And then I just put on my elastic band. That elastic band gonna melt the lace every time. I'ma just say that, okay? And my client, she wanted curls. So what I'm going in there right now and doing is we gotta make sure that wig flat. We don't want her walking out of here with no helmet head because that's just not what's going on, okay? So I'm going in and I'm just hot combing everything down, making sure it's nice, it's flat. And when you do curls, you kind of want this illusion that like the curls, y'all see how I'm kind of hot combing it up and like kind of giving it that push. Y'all see what I'm doing to like make sure that when I do the curls in the front, it's going to give body. We also really wanted to do some layers for this look, so that's what I'm going in now and doing. Y'all, I'm not even going to lie to y'all. I am so happy that I went to cosmetology school and really learned how to cut hair, because the way I used to cut hair used to get crazy. But now I know what to look for and how to really do it, okay? So that is what I'm going in and doing now. I'm just adding them layers in. And yeah, and I'm so happy we did these layers because it made the end result come out super duper good. All I'm really doing is taking sections and making sure that everything is up to par. Like everything is equally layered how it should be. It's a special technique to it. I can't really too much in depthly explain it as far as like, without it being the whole entire video. But y'all, we did them layers and now I am taking off this elastic band, and I like to take the elastic band off midway, and then I like to cut it with a razor so that it can give it that jagged look, so it's not just a straight hairline. And the reason I do this in the middle is so that before I go into styling the hair, I can put down the Sandex strip, and I could put down the elastic band again, so that everything can really be melted into place. And when I'm done styling the hair, it's not like I have to do this after, but we'll get to that in a minute. I'm just adding a little bit more makeup on. This is a 613 unit, so you really want to make sure that everything is just how it needs to be. Y'all, that spritz is everything. It really helps melt the lace. I like it more than got to be glue spray. And then, like I said, I put that Sandex strip on, the elastic band on, and we about to get into styling this hair. I'm just using some bio silk to make sure that the hair comes out nice and silky and has a nice little luster to it. Y'all, let me know in the comments, what is y'all favorite to go to style? Do y'all like crimps? Do y'all like bone straight? Do y'all like curls? I know for me personally, your girl love a good curl. Like, I mean, it ain't nothing like a bust down 30-inch, but come on, when you come with a curl and the curl got body, oh, can we talk about it? Can we talk about it? Can we talk about it? Because a curl gonna hit every time, okay? So I'm just going in, yo, at cosmetology school, they call this a morsel iron. It's not even a curl iron, it's a morsel iron. But no, that's really what it is. And I just like to go in with the morsel iron, and particularly, especially on the wigs, because I just feel like it holds the curl much better. And as you guys can see, oh, that lace is melted. Can we talk about it? The lace is melted. So now it's time to do the edges. So one thing I recommend when doing colored hair, you definitely want to take out a good thick amount of portion of edges to really make sure you can see the edges. So that's what I did, and what I'm doing right now is I'm going in with this clear gel. This clear gel is actually from the Erica J line, which I also use the glue. And I also went in with some mousse. Now, let me tell you one thing about doing edges. You want to go in with this flat iron, because, and the small flat iron, not a big flat iron. It's going to change your life, and it's going to change how the baby hairs come out. And y'all see them. They just laid. So now it's time to take out the curls. And as y'all can see, it's curled. What I'm doing in the front is just making sure, like I said, that it's giving that body, it's giving face frame, it's giving everything that it needs to give in the front. And y'all see these curls is just, oh, they look so good. I'ma just say that, okay? I'm just going in a little bit more with the wax stick, just setting everything in place. Once again with the hot comb, and be careful when you at your client and you got that hot comb, because that hot comb get hot. Now what I'm doing is taking a wide tooth comb, and I'm just fluffing these curls out. I'm just making them look how they need to look, because you really do want to fluff your clients' curls out. I mean, unless that's just not what they want, then but usually I fluff all my clients' curls out, because you just really get it to the way that you want it, especially after you have pin curled it. And the pin curls are just to make sure that the curls, stay for a longer period of time. So yeah, y'all, just fluff them curls out. I swear, y'all, sometimes I'll be at this step for at least a good 5 to 8 minutes, just making sure everything looks up to par how it needs to. And as y'all can see near the end, there goes that white. And I feel like it really just added to this look. Just another kind of, it's almost kind of like ombre, but an inverted ombre, which I think, oh my goodness. First of all, this color just fits her skin so well. And y'all, I just showed her and she is loving it. Did y'all just see that smile from ear to ear? Look at her. She's so high and it looks so good. Oh my God. Yes, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys follow all my social media. Subscribe. And until next time, bye, my lovelies.